Today we discuss about fuel cell. A fuel cell is like a battery in that it generates electricity from electrochemical reaction. The difference between battery and fuel cell is that in battery there is a bidirectional process from electrical to chemical energy and from chemical to electrical, but in fuel cell there is only one direction flow of energy from chemical reaction to electrical energy generation. So there is a byproduct of heat in the process of battery and fuel cell. However, battery holds a closed store of energy within it, and when it depleted, it is recharged by using external supply of electricity. A fuel cell, on the other hand, uses external supply of chemical energy and can run indefinitely as long as it's supplied with hydrogen and oxygen. The source of hydrogen, generally referred to as fuel, as this gives fuel cell its name. So the name of fuel cell is on the fuel we using as a hydrogen. Oxidation of the hydrogen instead takes place electrochemically in a very efficient way. During oxidation, hydrogen atoms react with oxygen atoms to form water. In the process, electrons released and flow through external circuit as electric current. As we know, the electric current combines the flow of electric charges. So when the charge flow through the electric circuit, we name it as electric current. Fuel cell can vary from tiny devices of few watts to large power plant producing megawatts. So fuel cell we can use to produce megawatts also. All fuel cells are based around central design using two electrodes separated by solid or liquid electrolyte. We have various type of fuel cells. The name of fuel cells derived on the electrolyte used between the two electrodes. A catalyst is often used to speed up the reaction at the electrodes. As the electrochemical process is very slow, to boost up or to increase the speed of the reaction or to generate large amount of current, we use catalyst in chemical reactions. Fuel cell type are generally classified according to the nature of electrolyte they use.